and Papa! Welcome back to sa aking Bagadag! May bago na naman po ako ituturo sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng mask at hindi rin kayo gagastos. Pwede nyo lang mahanap sa inyong bahay. So, umpisahan nyo na pong kumuha ng panyo at damit na hindi nyo na ginagamit at gawin na natin ang face mask na ituturo ko sa inyo. Tara!
I remember yesterday, but those days when I come back, we went out at night and day, we enjoyed our life. I remember in your car, looking on till we were tired. Baby, you're my lullaby, you're my daylight. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. But those days when I come back, we went out at night and day, we enjoyed our life. I remember in your car, looking on till we were tired. Baby, you're my lullaby, you're my daylight. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I remember yesterday, but those days when I come back, we went out at night and day, we enjoyed our life. I remember in your car, looking on till we were tired. Baby, you're my lullaby, you're my daylight. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days.
Thank you for watching. is Mom Shpia once again. Please like and subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe. And sana po may natutunan kayo sa vlogadags kong ito. Tandaan po, lagi po tayong magmamask kada lalabas. Pero mag-iiwan po ko ng kasabihan, hindi po lahat ng nakamask umiiwas kay corona. Hindi mo lang alam, baka umiiwas siya sa iyong mabahong hininga.